Hey YouTube fans, today I'm talking about Intego washing machine software. This is a great software from Intego. They also make another bunch of software company exclusive to the Mac. So they only make for the Mac, exclusive to the Mac. So far, it could change, but so far they only make software for the Mac only for now. Anyways, so let's go ahead and dive in and let's talk about what washing machine does. So hit reclaim. It will contain all this stuff. Start reclaiming, and now everything's on. So continue. It will calculate all the logs, all the items, everything, trash, this and that and this, and then it will calculate everything. And then on the left hand side tells you some general tips on your system. So far it's $294 or $296, but going to be $300 soon. Or not, it's less than $300. So you can do aggressive cleaning, right? And then hit clean, and it will start cleaning everything. And don't show this message again, and delete, and that's it. It takes a few minutes to delete, but meantime you can go. Oh, you can go. It's just disabled because it's working. I'm on the background, so take a few minutes, depending on this system, how fast you on your Mac. And then I recommend and try this out. I recommend look at this software, and that's it. It's a good software. Washing machine is a good software to take you clean your items that you need, and it's really good product. It looks very nice, like interface, design, work. It works really well. So let's check, and almost finished. It tells you almost bars finished. Right, tells you reclaim tips. And show me almost finished. Everything's clean. And then if you want to go ahead, duplicate. If you want to see any duplicate files and everything organized, if you want, you do organize. So organize is basically analyze your files and organize everything on your Mac. So it'll be, so it finds everything much faster. And if you want to tidy up, right? So if you want to drag here, or if you want to drag there, right, and that's it. And if you want, and that's it. And hit continue. And then if you find duplicates, if you want, but you don't need to do that. If you need to do that, go ahead and do it. It's pretty easy, and that's it, guys. Bye bye.